In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create photos in ChatGPT. If you can describe a picture with words, ChatGPT can turn that description into an AI-generated image. The secret to getting impressive results is clarity and detail. So let's walk through how to write prompts that consistently produce the photo you have in mind, and how to refine those results once you see them. Start by describing the image clearly. Think of your prompt like giving directions to an artist. Begin with the main subject and what you want the photo to look like. Specify the style you're after: realistic, cartoon, anime, or an artistic approach like watercolor, oil painting, or cinematic. Add the background and setting so the model knows where the scene takes place, whether that's a bustling street, a quiet forest, or a minimal studio backdrop. Include the color palette and lighting: soft morning light, neon accents, high contrast shadows, golden hour warmth, because lighting and color set the mood. Mention any characters, objects, or scenery you need for accuracy, such as the number of people, clothing details, props, or landmarks. Detailed prompts consistently produce better images. Next, get creative and specific. Layer in camera angles and moods to guide composition and tone. You might say overhead, close-up, wide shot, or low angle, and add special effects like bokeh, lens flare, or volumetric light if that fits your vision. An example could be, create a futuristic city at sunset in cinematic style. To make it even stronger, you can extend it with details like glowing blue accents, reflective glass, wide-angle perspective, soft haze. Experiment with variations, swap the time of day, switch from realistic to anime, or change the color scheme. Small changes in wording can produce dramatically different outcomes. Once you have a generated photo, edit and improve it by asking ChatGPT to modify specific elements. You can request color adjustments, background replacements, or object tweaks, like changing a red jacket to blue or moving a character closer to the foreground. If the image feels flat, ask to enhance quality, sharpen details, or increase dynamic range. You can also add new visual elements, clouds, signage, or subtle textures to enrich the scene. Don't hesitate to generate multiple versions to compare designs side by side. It's a fast way to decide what works best. Use these AI-generated photos for content, marketing, and creativity, from thumbnails and social posts to mood boards and concept art. With clear descriptions, creative specificity, and a few rounds of refinement, you'll turn your ideas into striking visuals in ChatGPT.